Sorry about that.
This could be a way through. Damn it.
It's a ghost.
What are these markings? What am I doing?
I don't know, what are you doing, Laura?
Oh God, this is insane. This traditional no mask represents a hateful woman in the guise of a demon. There are traces of white paint on the inside. Whoever used this mask was of noble birth.
Huh. 34% already, Jesus. I'm reading that wrong, probably.
Need something to pry this open. Need something to pry this open.
Well, where am I gonna find that at? Thank God we have this freaking vision. It's super useful. Tap it! Tap it! Tap the X!
Did you get that?
Got it.
We have a fire. Look for the smoke.
We're on our way.
Laura, you made it.
Sam, thank goodness.
Surprise. It's okay. He's one of us.
Sorry if I startled you. This place would make anyone a little jumpy. We just spoke to your crew. They're on their way.
Look, he bandaged my foot.
Oh, it was the least I could do. My manners. I'm sorry, I'm Matthias.
He
A
seems suspicious
teacher
to
by
me.
trade. Not really cut out for island life, I'm afraid.
Sweetie, you look exhausted. Sit down.
Yeah.
Sam here was just telling me about the Sun Queen.
Right, Himiko.
Can you tell me more? I'm intrigued.
Well, believe it or not, a couple thousand years ago, Queen Himiko pretty much ran things in Japan.
She loves telling this story.
Himiko was beautiful, enigmatic, but also ruthless and powerful. Legend says she had shamanistic powers.
And this is where she loses me.
Well, there's always some truth to myths.
She commanded an army of samurai warriors, her magnificent storm guard. They rode the very winds into battle, laying waste to all who opposed them. They say the sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains to the sea and beyond.
But what happened to them?
Sam? Matthias? Sam! Sam! Shit! Ah! No! Sam!
Ah, shit. Okay, so far so good.
Let go.
It's good to see you, little bird.
I'm so glad you're here. Is Sam with you?
She was with you.
She was here with that man, Matthias. But I passed out. When I woke up, they were both gone.
You girls should go wandering off.
We need to find them.
Wait. What about Raw?
Okay, let's split up. One of us go with Laura and meet up with Roth. The rest of us should fan out and look for Sam.
I'll go with her. No. Let me.
You know how to use one of these?
It's been a while. It's all coming back to me.
Get to Roth. We'll find Sam and this Matthias guy.
You're gonna be okay?
Yes, I probably just need to rest for a few minutes.
You sit here. I'll check up ahead.
Okay. Not so bad.
I see you're alive, Brad. I have no idea if that invite was for Xbox or on PC.
How do I start? Okay. This is Lara Croft, an archaeologist from the Endurance, shipwrecked on an island in the Dragon's Triangle.
I can't believe we're actually on an expedition to find the homeland of my ancestors. Ever since I told Lara the story of Himiko years ago, she's been hunting for its location. I never really gave it much thought. That any of this could actually be real history. My grandmother used to tell me the story like it was a memory. Many thousands of years ago, Queen Himiko ruled the land of Yamatai. The sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains to the sea and beyond. But one day, Yamatai simply disappeared without a trace. Forgotten in time.
My cat is yelling at me. Oh, jeez. Guessing each journal is like a fireplace. I don't. Okay, do it. What?
I don't like the sound of that.
What is it? What did it look like? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, what? Hang on. Oh god. Look what you made me do, Brad. Brad, you got me killed. I looked at my hand, then I got attacked by a wolf. So look at the palm of the hand. Take the two bones. Push them towards each other. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ow. So, was there any...
I don't like the sound of
So
that.
what was like the official report?
Just head up the hill. Look for the large gate.
Oh. Okay. I know. The wolf is still after me. I have my pickups. I just ran for the
These are
frickin'
fascinating.
cinematic.
I've seen these before. They must be ritualistic.
This female image is particularly interesting.
Looks like it was made quite
Still,
recently.
man, you gotta
Those
come at some
islanders, no
point.
doubt. Judging by the wrecks out there, they were once like us. Survivors. Remarkable.
Yes, well,
Here
let's
comes
hope we
the day
don't
of the
become
test.
murderers too.
See if you can work the other one.
The handle's missing.
Together.
Oh, shit. It won't take the force. I'll have to find something sturdier to turn it with.
Must be something around here we can use. Incredible.
Orange. Purple. Purple was my second guess. I got fire now, fear me. Looks so weird when I try to aim down my bow with no bows. Or with no arrows. Looks so stupid. I announced that at the beginning of the stream. You're gonna see a lot of map checking. Every time I come here, there's always wolves down at the bottom of those stairs. Still trying to figure out the controls, so I don't even know what melee is. I can't change my control layout. Why is melee? Yo, you can't change your control layout, which annoys me. No, you can't. I went down to controls, there's no option to change it. You can only change the Y or X axis. Yes, Brad, I did. That's how I view what the controls are. I'm gonna die by these. I don't know how to combat wolves. I know, that's what I'm trying to do. I don't know how to properly do combat in this game yet. I better, because the bow sucks for me in this game. So far, at least.
This'll work. Just need a bit more. Just a bit more.
Oh, are you kidding me? I just killed. Why are there so many wolves? How often do you come across wolves in this game? Because I've come across them like every 2 seconds. Can't go anywhere without there being wolves. It's annoying. Just you. Since the start of the game. Started at 9. Them must really suck.
Who are they worshipping?
I'm not able to jump on the wall right now. Is there only certain walls I can mash A and jump up?
Whitman is such a drama queen. I can't believe the hissy fit he threw during the filler shoot. I mean, this is his job, right? It's not like he's offering anything to the actual research part of this expedition. Once we find Yamatai and the cameras are rolling, he'll calm down. He might be a total pain in the ass, but he knows how to work a scene. I just need to do my job and keep my cool. Lara doesn't know it, but I've been shooting footage of her too. I really want to make sure she gets the credit she deserves. And besides, she looks great on film. I think she's a natural. That's probably gonna drive Whitman out of his mind with jealousy. But by the time he finds out, we'll be enjoying the premiere in Telluride.
Whenever I look at your name, it says you're on Twitch watching me play Alien Isolation. I can't help but get this feeling you're just watching me get attacked over and over again. Oh god, this is the whole oh Jesus. Now I have to start the long treacherous journey back. How many wolves am I gonna fight? Probably every single Earth in the planet Earth. Or every single wolf on the planet Earth. Oh hey, what's up, wolf? That was my best combat with them yet. I'll figure them out, keep my distance, dodge all their attacks. I'm slowly figuring it out.
Back so soon? Laura, I think this symbology is legitimate. Whoever calls this island their home appears to be worshipping some kind of female goddess.
Something stronger. Needs something stronger.
I need to do what now?